Arts celebrate diversity. My curiosity and collaboration with Asian artists in my community opened my mind to new ideas. When we respect and appreciate each other's background, we open doors to new discoveries.
准备好要一起玩了吗？哎，艺术给我一双可以到处去冒险的脚哦。
Hi everyone, Suzanne here, teaching artists with Flushing Town Hall. Art is so essential, and we need to do everything we can to keep it in our schools and in our daily life. Art means everything to me, critical thinking, creativity, and I'm really excited to bring you into my studio for a new project. So I'll see you there.
Arts are essential because they help me experiment with words. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where are the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? She sells seashells by the seashore. If she sells seashells by the seashore, where are the seashells she sells by the seashore? Now it's your turn. Check out the activities and see what you can do with tongue twisters. And challenge your friends.
Art are essential. Now, walk, movement, meditation. 나는 걷는 명상을 통해서 많은 아이디어를 얻으면서 많은 창의력을 생각하게 된다. 걷는 영상을 통해서 나의 몸이 아주 자유롭고 행복하고 몸이 가는 대로 마음이 가는 대로 자유롭게 할 수 있는 행복함을 느끼면서 걷는 영상을 좋아한다.